My coughing montage. What up, bros? You see, I was sick last week. I had some throat virus or something, and it came along with a cough, and I've been coughing a lot, especially if you've watched my latest video, Cough Cough Plank. You know I have a cough. I've been coughing a lot, and so I got a lot of my coughing on video, and so I thought I'd put it into a montage for you. Enjoy my coughing montage. It goes like eh, 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 eh. I hope you like it. Here we go. The end. Subscribe.
Subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe.
Do 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 do. Do 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 do.